Hello everyone, so today I'm going to teach you something called scale degrees and their names. So scale degree refers to the position of a note within a scale. So what does this mean? Let's take the most basic C major scale, for example. Scale degree basically means we put a number for each of the note. So since C is the first note, we call it scale degree 1. And we do this for all of the notes. And as you can see, when C returns, scale degree 1 also returns. And just one head up is that when we write scale degrees, we always put this little hat on top of the number. So, well, in F sharp minor, then we have the same thing. Since the first note is an F sharp, we label it scale degree 1, and we do it for all the other notes. So let's do some practice with scale degrees. What is scale degree number 6 of E major? So all we have to do is we think or we write out the E major scale and we count to the 6th note. And in this case, it's a C sharp. So scale degree 6 of E major is C sharp. Let's do another one. What is scale degree 4 of B minor? Again, we just write out our scale and we count to the 4th note. And in this case, the scale degree 4 of B minor is an E. So, scale degrees seem pretty straightforward and easy to understand, but what we really have to learn is the names associated with each scale degree. So what does this mean? Well, before I teach you this, the reason why we have to learn this is because later on when you learn harmony and harmonic theory, this can be very important. So, let's get to the names. With all major keys or major scales, here's how we label each scale degree. And again, here's just C major. Scale degree 1 is what we call the tonic. Scale degree 2 is what we call the supertonic. Scale degree 3 is what we call the mediant. Scale degree 4 is what we call the subdominant. Scale degree 5 is what we call the dominant. Scale degree 6 is what we call the submediant, and scale degree 7 is called the leading tone. And of course, when scale degree 1 returns, all the name also cycles. Now, as you might have noticed, I've basically put the names that has some similarity in the same color. So this is to help you to memorize this. For example, tonic and supertonic means 1 and 2. Mediant and submediant means 3 and 6. Subdominant and dominant means 4 and 5. So I hope this can help you in your way of memorizing these names. Let's do some practice then. So, what is the mediant of F sharp minor? Well, we can first think about or write out the scale first. And we just learned that mediant means scale degree number 3. So the third note within the scale. And in this case is an A. So the medium of F sharp minor is an A. So my next question is, what is the leading tone of C major? Of course, we can write out the scale first, and the leading tone we just learned is scale degree 7, or in other words, the 7th note of the scale, and in this case is a B. So the leading tone of C major is B. So now we have covered the names for major keys, but what about for minor keys? Now, one thing to be careful here is that scale degree names can change because we have two different types of minors. We first have natural minor scales, and we also have harmonic minor scales. And as you will see later, there will be some differences. So let's first deal with natural minor scales. So here's a very simple D minor with scale degree labeled. Now, up to the 6th note, everything or every name is the same with a major scale. So tonic, supertonic, mediant, subdominant, dominant, and submediant. However, the 7th notes in a natural minor or scale degree 7 in natural minor scales. In this case, the C is called the subtonic. So this is very important And the reason that this is called a subtonic is because in a natural minor scale, the 7th note, or scale degree 7, is a whole tone away from the tonic. So remember, subtonics only occur in natural minors. Now, what about harmonic minor scale? Well, here's a very basic E harmonic minor. And as you can see, I've also labeled all the scale degrees. Now, again, up to the 6th note, or scale degree 6, every name is the same with natural minor or with major scales. However, in harmonic minor scales, the 7th note, or scale degree 7, in this case, the D sharp, is called the leading tone. And of course, we call this the leading tone because this scale degree 7 in a harmonic minor is one semitone apart from the tonic. And as you can see, every name within a harmonic minor scale is the same with major scales. So today we have successfully covered all the scale degree names for major and minor keys. I hope these will help you tremendously in the future.